Hi everybody, this is Max Farrell. This is DexFxMarkets.com. In this segment of the 2-hour and TNT strategy and trades and signal system, I'm going to quickly talk to you about the spreadsheet and the DPC. In the spreadsheet, like I've talked about in the 1-hour trades, it's very intuitive and it's very strong as a tool. Okay, how do we use this system? Well, first off, the DPC has a tremendous amount of information of stats. Okay, and when we're looking at the 2-hour trades, we're looking at win ratios along a particular set of pairs. Well, when the signal first comes out, the win ratio is not there because it hasn't been adjusted until it wins or loses. So how do we isolate that? Well, we can simply, one, look down and investigate and find the closest Great Britain pound USD. But sometimes you may skip one in here. So what I like to do is that as soon as I see what trades come over, there might be more than one, I isolate the asset by going up to, this is how you'll see it, hit this little collapse panel, plus sign, and then I'll go to Great Britain pound USD, and that'll isolate all of them. Then I can easily see that one just happened a little while ago, and the current success rate is sitting at 89%. Now, what does this mean? This means over the last 100 signals for the Great Britain pound USD, the ratio has been 89%. Now, to check that against other values, we can come down here and look at the Great Britain pound USD, but it hasn't traded within the last 24 hours because it hasn't finished yet. We're sitting because it's sitting back from last week. Okay, so it doesn't have any direct data. But so I would go back 7 days level, and it's sitting at 100%. That makes me feel even better. And if I look at the month, 94%. Anything over 92 on a 2-hour trade is really, really super strong. So I would really trade as the best of my ability to kind of get something strong on that. And if I was trading directly at the number, but that's at that 2449. So don't think that trading, cheating in or coming up like we did in the previous videos is going to have that same success rate. You may diminish it. It may have a higher rate. Who knows? Only you will know by trading at that level. But at the work we've done, trading at this level has an 89 to a 94% success rate. Okay, so we're very happy with that. That's how you isolate that process. Simply go back to go all in or go all assets. Okay. Another thing to come down and look at, like we said, is to look at the day, the week, and the month. This is the last 24 hours. This is the last 7 days. This is the last 30 days, 365, and however long that the signal's been out there. We can see a lifetime value of 89%. So not so great, but still good enough. But again, there hasn't been a lot of signals fired off on this 2 hours to get data. Not like our data that have like 50-something thousand, right? Here is only about 900, almost close to 1,000. There's more data coming for some of these other statistical values. We'll be making those come out. You can kind of see we're getting prepared for that. That will all fill in per actual pair and what the success rates are for the timing. So pretty cool. From this solution too, using the data processing center should be just that easy. It's all about stats, but anything can happen. 89% win rate means there's 11% chance of loss. And let me tell you folks, you're going to lose. It's just a matter of creating a success rate, winning more than you lose, and having a profit margin at the end of every month. That's what I shoot for. Okay, I'm Max. This is Dex. We'll see you in the next video. And as always, trade well.